The letter adventure. In a garden full of wonder, our friend is out to ponder.
I sound like a snake in the grass. But what happens when I find a friend and we join in a dance?
Hello, sir. I sound like an apple falling from a tree.
When we stand side by side, what sound will we be?
Let's listen and see. Sir, like the start of a song. Tap. Hello, I'm tapping away. Let's all join and see what we'll say. Sir. Makes sat. Now we've formed a new word. That's how and became sat. Haven't you heard?
I'm puff it like a train.
I'm singing in the rain. And I'm nodding my head. Together they can form words too. So let's see where they led. E and form the word pin. Pin. We've joined to show our might. Why not call us today on 01924 50 60 10. Alternatively, you can call us on our mobile or WhatsApp 0795 1918152 or email us on info@improvedtuition.org.